Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. Here we came up with another topic of aptitude, which is set theory. So before going on to the topic, these are the four, five topics which I have covered in my last videos: speed, distance and time, number series, profit and loss, probability, and permutation and combination. Each last part of the video contains a sheet for practice. You can go through that sheet, and if you have any queries regarding that, you can ask us in comment section. Before going in detail about the set theory, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placement and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Let's see what are the basics first. So what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. You can say that a class, student of a class are a set because they are a well-defined collection of objects. What is a finite set? A set of finite elements which are countable. Null set, set with no elements. Singleton set, set with one element only. Equal set, if each element of one set is equal to the other set elements, and vice versa. Subset, every element of A is an element of B. Let us understand this with an example. Let's say we have a set A which is equals to 1 and 2, and we have a set B which is equals to 1, 2 and 3, or 1 or 2. So A is a subset of B because every element of A is in B. So A will be said to be subset of B. Proper subset. What is a proper subset? Proper subset is a subset if it is equal but not equal. Let's say if you have a set A which is equals to 1, 2 and 3 and B which is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So A is a subset of B, but A is also a proper subset of B because every element of A is present in B, but it is not equal. Both of the sets are not equal. Like we told in subset that A and B can be either 1, 2, 3 or it can be 1, 2 because it is not a possibility or not a rule here that you have that A cannot be equal to B, but here in proper subset it is already defined in the definition that A have to be a subset of B but not equal. Now what is union of set? So all elements of A and all elements of B will be coming in the set A union B, but no duplicates should be there. Intersection, A intersection will be common elements of A and B but no duplicates. This is the formula of calculating union, and this is the formula of calculating union of three sets. Let's understand this concept with the help of a question. In a class of 100 students, 35 like science, 45 like math and 10 like both. How many can like either of them and how many like neither? So we know that in total we have 100 students. Number of science student is 35 and number of math student is 45 who will like both, which means intersection is equals to 10. You can easily see this with the help of Venn diagrams. You will have to do it. This is the Venn diagram. So 45 students like math, 35 like science and 10 are the students which like both. So M intersection S will be 10. Now number of students who like either of them, which means you have to calculate union of M and S. So M union S will be, we will apply the formula which I have explained above. Set M, set S minus intersection of set M and S. So 45 plus 30 minus 10 is equals to 70. Number of students who like neither are total set means 100 students minus union of M and S minus 70. 100 minus 70 is equals to 30. So there are 30 students who like neither of these subject. Moving on to the next question. Among a group of students, 50 played cricket, 50 played hockey and 40 played volleyball. 15 played both cricket and hockey, 20 played both hockey and volleyball, while 15 played cricket and volleyball, 10 played all the three. If every student played at least one game, find the number of students and find how many played only cricket, only hockey, and only volleyball. So we know that 50 students are playing cricket, 50 are playing hockey, and 40 are playing volleyball. We know that cricket and hockey are played by 15 students, 20 play hockey and volleyball, and 15 play volleyball and cricket. But 10 are the students who play all the three sports. So we have to calculate the number of students who played at least one game. We can calculate it by taking the formula of union of three sets, and the answer for this will be 100, which means total number of students will be 100 who play at least one game. But for calculating the students who play only cricket and volleyball, we will denote A, that number of people who played cricket and volleyball only. Let B denote the number of people who played cricket and hockey. Let C be the number of people who played hockey and volleyball, and D who played all the three games. Now accordingly we have this thing that intersection of all the three sports is 10. Intersection of cricket and volleyball will be A plus D, which is equals to 15. Intersection of cricket and hockey will be B plus D, which is equals to 15. And hockey and volleyball will be C plus D, which is equals to 20. For calculating A, who play cricket and volleyball only, we have 15 minus 10, which is equals to 5. And therefore, similarly for cricket and hockey, we have 5, 15 minus 10, and hockey and volleyball we have 20 minus 10, which is equals to 10. So number of students who played only cricket will be total number of students of cricket minus all of the three sports A, B and D. 50 minus 5 plus 5 plus 10, which is equals to 30, and so on. We will calculate all the three sports with this similar formula. We will deal with other type of questions in the next part of set theory. So this was all about today's lecture. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.